How does a computer work? What is a computer? A computer is like a super smart helper that can do lots of different jobs, like playing games, showing pictures, helping us write, or even talking to our friends online. Example: imagine a computer is like a magic box that listens to your instructions and does things for you. Parts of a computer: the screen, monitor. This is where you see everything the computer is doing. It's like the computer's television. Parts of a computer: the keyboard. This is the thing you type on. It's like the computer's notebook where you tell it what to do. Parts of a computer: the mouse. You use it to point and click things on the screen. It's like the computer's hand. Parts of a computer: the CPU, Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of the computer. It thinks and tells all the other parts what to do. It's like the teacher in a classroom giving instructions. How does the computer understand us? The computer understands you because you give it instructions using the keyboard and mouse. These instructions are like a special language the computer knows. Example: when you press keys on the keyboard, you're speaking in the computer's language. The computer listens and shows your words on the screen. What happens inside the computer? Step 1. Input, giving instructions. You give instructions by typing or clicking. This is called input, like putting information in. What happens inside the computer? Step 2. Processing, thinking. The CPU, the brain, starts thinking about what to do with your instructions. It makes decisions and works hard to get the right answer. What happens inside the computer? Step 3. Output, showing results. After the CPU finishes thinking, it shows the result on the screen or plays sound through the speakers. This is called output, like when the computer shows you a picture or plays a game. Memory, remembering things. Short-term memory. When you are using a game or a program, the computer remembers what you're doing right now. But if you turn the computer off, it forgets. Memory, remembering things. Long-term memory. The computer also has a special place to save things, like your photos or homework. This memory stays even when the computer is turned off. The computer needs power. A computer needs electricity, power, to work. Without power, it can't do anything. Example: imagine your computer is like a toy that needs batteries to run. If the batteries are out, the toy won't work. Software versus hardware. Hardware. This is the physical part of the computer you can touch, like the keyboard, screen, or the computer box, CPU. Software versus hardware. Software. These are the programs or games that run on the computer. The software tells the hardware what to do. What happens when you use a program? When you open a program or game on the computer, the software sends instructions to the CPU, the brain, to make things happen on the screen. The CPU then talks to the memory to get the information it needs. What happens when you use a program? Example: when you play a game, the CPU makes sure your moves are shown on the screen, and the game remembers where you are in the game. How do computers communicate? Sometimes, computers talk to each other. They can send messages through the internet, just like sending letters or messages between friends. How do computers communicate? Example: if you send an email to your friend, your computer sends the message through the internet, and your friend's computer gets it right away. Why computers are so cool? Computers are awesome because they can do many things at the same time. They can play music, show videos, help you learn, and even let you talk to people far away.